Okay, welcome on this to replace Panelview 1400E touchscreen. This is a simple explanation on the product that we have here. You think it's a simple touchscreen that's available anywhere? Well, wrong. It's not available anywhere. We developed a cross-reference LCD to replace the original. If you see the two touchscreens in front of you, they're identical. They look identical, but they're not. This is the new one here, and this is the old one. Panelview 1400E. With the bezel removed, the old one slides in, has a perfect fit. Very simple, very easy to install. It's all basically screws. So you can pull the old touchscreen out, new touchscreen goes in, fits perfect fit, and replace all the screws, and it's done. That's all there is to it.